After Effects is one of my all-time favorite applications.
Its uses are almost limitless, providing an incredible tool for animations, motion graphics, compositing, and much more. And while After Effects' many built-in effects and plugins are awesome on their own, there are several third-party plugins that I use on a nearly daily basis that add a lot of additional functionality.
On today's episode of 120 Seconds, I'm going to show you some of my favorite plugins for After Effects that you can download and use starting today.
The undisputed king of free After Effects plugins is videocopilot.net. If you're interested in learning After Effects, you've probably already heard of them for their industry-leading tutorials, but they do offer a wide variety of plugins for After Effects, several of which are completely free to download and use. The first free plugin we're going to talk about today is called Saber. Saber can be used to make high-quality light and energy beams. It can be applied to the shape of a mask or text, which really adds a ton of flexibility. It was originally created to mimic the look of Star Wars lightsabers, but it can be used for a lot more than just that.
Next is a plugin called VC Reflect.
VC Reflect allows you to easily create 2D reflections quickly with lots of flexibility. Creating reflections without this plugin is a time-consuming process, and they're difficult to edit once you've got them. VC Reflect can save you tons of time, quickly creating reflections automatically.
Next is a super simple plugin, again from Video Copilot, that will save you tons of time. Copy to Clipboard.
When you're working in After Effects, you're going to need to occasionally flip back and forth between Photoshop, Illustrator, or other applications. This workflow can be a bit of a pain, as it takes several steps just to import a still from your After Effects composition into one of those applications. Copy to Clipboard adds a simple command under the Export menu, which does exactly what it sounds. It copies a still from your composition, which you can paste into any other application as an image, enabling you to quickly and easily bounce between different applications without the need for exporting and importing.
These are a few of my favorite free plugins for After Effects that I use on an almost daily basis. In a future episode, I'm going to go over some of my favorite paid plugins, as well as some plugins for Premiere.
Until then, be sure to click on the link to the left or below to visit MediaTech Institute. They offer amazing programs on digital film, animation and visual effects, recording arts, and much more. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you again next week for another tutorial.